Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you aren't new, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe. So today I'm going to be trying on the NYX liquid suede lipsticks from the vault that I got from Christmas last year. I don't know if that vault is still available, but they had a bunch of their liquid suede lipsticks inside. Why'd I do that? I'm just going to be swatching them and trying them on and showing you. If you want to see that, just keep watching. So I'm gonna start with NYX liquid suede, and this is in the color Respect the Pink. So this is really bright. It does not go with my skin color. I guess it would be better if I had like a liner, but I'm gonna try all these on without liner. Suede Empress. Well, I think that's Spanish. So Suede. So yeah, you need lip liners for all of these. These are intense. This one is cute. So you don't really need a liner for this one. I still got the one before. Next one is No Envy. Yeah. So far these are like really soft on the lips. They feel really creamy. Like they say they're liquid. I mean, they say that they are cream lipsticks, and they feel like it. Next one is Brooklyn Throne. This is Tea and Cookies. Oh, my lips is throbbing. Jet Set. This is like a very bold color. Like, I don't know if I would actually wear this out anywhere, but it's a pretty color. Okay, so now I'm gonna try, put it on. So this is Orange County. This one is Subversive Socialite. What? Does that make sense? Subversive?
You stupid.
They're not.
What's 9 plus 10?
21.
You stupid.
Subversive. Am I saying that right? I don't know. This feels really, for some reason this one feels extra soft. I like this one. I like this color. This reminds me of Heroin by MAC. That used to be my favorite color. Next is Stone Fox. It's a gray color. I thought I wasn't gonna like this color, but Life's a Beach. A beach. Then we have nigga making so much noise. Honeycomb. Are you done?
Are you done? Are you done? Are you done?
Oh. This is different than what I thought it was gonna look like. They go on so smooth. Honeycomb. Everybody loves Sandstorm. Definitely need a lip liner with this one. They come off easily with a makeup wipe. And they don't feel drying. And like the whole time I'm wearing it, it never like dries down and feel crusty or crumble up like matte lipsticks. I hate that. It's just soft the whole time. I've even worn them with lip gloss on top and they were pretty. Hey guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And share with your friends. Alright y'all, that's the end of the video. Make sure you check out my recent videos. Get Ready With Me, Brown Sugar Unboxing, Who Knows Me Better, I Lost 10 Pounds in a Week, and my Straight to Curly routine. Thanks for watching y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.